Hello students. So class 3 subject is completed. We have almost reached to the last portion of this. Last is software. The last topic of this chapter is software. So we have already studied about software and hardware. Hardware that we can touch, see, and software that we cannot touch, we cannot see, but we can work with it. So software is of two types. But before that, what is software? Instruction given to computer to make hardware work. Instruction given to computer to make hardware work is called software. For example, have you seen car, train, bus? Full car, train, bus is a hardware, but without driver, can it work? No. Same way, without software, hardware cannot work. So, we cannot touch, cannot be touched. We cannot touch the software, and software is of two types. Software is of two types. One is system software and another one is application software. Software is of two types, system software and application software. For example, system software is what? System software works overall, means it is operating system. Example of operating system is nowadays Windows is most popular, DOS is there, MS is there. So these are some operating systems. Operating system controls overall the computer, but application software only it is used for particular thing. For example, game. If you have downloaded any game, that is a application software, means you can play only game, you cannot do another work. If you have downloaded any calculator, any another things in your mobile phone, so many apps is there, all that app is a application software. In your mobile, that Android is there, that is system software. If you have used a big phone, you see that is an Android phone. That Android is the operating system, and so many games and all the things you are downloading on that, that is application software. For example, game. If you have gone for the practical, you have seen that the MS Word, Notepad, pen, these all things are application software. But whenever you are turning on the computer, that something is arranged, that is system software. So both are different. System software looks over all of the computer, but the application software, it is for only one work. And the last point of your this chapter is IPO. What is IPO? IPO is a input, process, output. In the starting of this chapter, I have already explained you IPO. But once again, input, and this full is process. For example, any command we are giving to the computer, that command is related to ALU or control or memory. CPU will decide what to do with this, and finally we are getting output. For example, if we are typing 2 plus 2, means we are giving command 2 again plus again 2, means we are doing what? Calculation, means ALU part of the computer will work, and finally result as an output we will get on a monitor, means output device. Input we are giving through the input device, and all this processing is done with the brain of computer, that is called CPU. Inside the CPU there is three parts, that is one is ALU, control unit and memory unit. And finally we are getting output in a output device. Some output device are monitor, printer, speaker. These are output device. Input device, keyboard, mouse. These are input device. Processing means CPU, control unit of the computer, and output. So I hope this chapter is clear for you. Thank you.